Well, good afternoon, YouTube channel. It's Belmont here. And first off, I would like to thank Mayhem Keys for the opportunity to present these two particular keys and the rest that I will explain in a few moments. What you see before you are the Doorking 16120 key and the linear 222343 key. Now, the Doorking is for door entry and gate keypads. Fits on most products up to the year 2020. You'll find these keypads right beside gates in front of rich people's homes, gated communities, car parking lots, and your local jail. Now, these keys do not automatically open the gate. They open the keypads so individuals can enter their own codes and control the gate. Now, the linear 222343 key is a telephone entry system key that's often used on certain types of apartment buildings. Let's say, for example, Los Angeles, New York City, and places that have big high-rises. Now, the linear key is not really used much anymore since it's kind of outdated, but it's used on systems of the AE100, the AE1000, AE2000, and you will find the best quality of them on Mayhem Keys. Now, excuse me. Now, in the past, people have tried to bully and ridicule me with the pick-a-lock Raymond. Well, you know what? Belmont actually does pick locks. The padlock you see before you is a Dollar Tree 50mm padlock, which I picked, specifically single pin pick, before a crowd of 16 people on my newest associate and subscriber, Sky Lippy, as it was his Meet Me live stream that I picked locks for an hour as his guest, showing people that I pick locks and talking about locksport in general. So, yes, Belmont does single pin pick as well. I may not be as good as I am with raking, but I do possess the skill. Now, another is, I want to talk about Covert Entry's website, better known as Lockpicking Lawyers. He is trying to push his keys on the market and his higher prices. Specifically, he has what he calls a bag of opening plus 5, which includes these two keys, the RV key, the Ford Fleet key that starts and opens police cars, and one of the comp national brand of locks for cabinets. And he is trying to pass that off for a paltry sum of $30. This is clearly a mistake, because nobody does it better than Mayhem Keys. In fact, Mayhem Keys has its own set of 5 penetrating testing for the lower price of $20. So, so you tell me, folks, viewers, subscribers, supporters, and even haters, what would you rather pay? Would you rather pay $30 or $20? I'll give you time to talk about that amongst yourselves and ponder that. Also, Mayhem Keys shows files for its buyers who want to learn more. I have not seen that on Lockpicking Lawyer's website covert entry. Not once. Now, Mayhem Keys has some more fine penetrating testing sets out now. They have also reestablished their Ford Fleet keys again, which are $20. And I have posted a link in my previous video of the Ford Fleet keys. So you will see that. Mayhem Keys has some of the most professional looking keys I've ever had the good fortune to witness. And I will continue to demonstrate my skills to people on meetme while video chatting with them. So, this is Belmont saying, stick around.